पीछे भागना, आई थिंक नहीं, मेरा छोटा बेटा जो है इज 8 months old, और दो बच्चे के साथ इट्स क्रेजी ट्राइंग टू जस्ट गेट स्टफ डन टुगेदर। लेकिन मैं जिम जाने की कोशिश करती हूँ, एंड आई वांट टू गेट बैक टू वर्क, so I have to become fit and lose my weight and look like the old Parizan. तो कोशिश कर रही हूँ, let's see how far I get.
आपके फिल्मी प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे आपने?
वेल 3 साल में 2 बच्चे के हैं, तो उससे बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स कुछ है ही नहीं, लेकिन आई थिंक अगले साल मैं काम करना शुरू करूँगी फॉर श्योर। लाइक दैट्स माई फोकस एंड दैट्स माई इंटेंशन।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Yeah. I was shocked. When my manager, is this for the thing or just for, can I just tell you? Oh, acha, okay, for the thing. Okay. जब शैलजा जो मेरी मैनेजर है, जब उनका फ़ोन आया था, शैलजा को मालूम है कि which products I would endorse and which not, and वो मुझे पूछ रही कि भाईजान एक इंक्वायरी आया है नैपी के लिए, will you do it? I'm like, which is the brand? And she said, Steady. And I said, of course I'll do it. Because I used the product. I was shocked. It's something that was completely, like she would expect me to say yes. She'd say, are you mad? Are we stupid? I would say something like that. But because I was using the product, and I swear to God, it's a phenomenal product. So as a mother, I'm like, you know what, if it's something I endorse, especially in terms of babies and children, it's something I believe in, and I want to take very seriously. So I won't go there and talk about a product that I don't have any clue about, especially when it concerns a child. I think I take that role a bit responsibly. So because I use it, I was like, way to go. But I was shocked. It was a fluke.
Now, as a mother, the last question, as a mother, what kind of message you would like to give to the other mother? Like, very, day to day, very simple things to take care about the child.
Okay. Yeah. Well, मैं 2 बच्चे की माँ हूँ, and बहुत ही बहुत कुछ सीखना है मुझे, but if there's one thing I could kind of give as a bit of, not advice, but as a bit of a suggestion to other mothers, is spend quality time with your child. It's not about how many hours you put together, it's what you do in the time you spend with your child is very, very important. And I think एक बच्चे का जो hygiene है सबसे important चीज़ होता है, so don't compromise on that, and if budgets are an issue, like I use a nappy pad during the day and a diaper in the night, try and do that, but to all moms, सब लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि these are the best years of your life when they are little, enjoy them, and that's what I plan on. Thank you. It's good to see you. मैं endorse करूँगी अगर it's a good product. I would not support something that's substandard because there are children, what would I do with the proceeds? I would keep part, or शायद some part I would donate. I work for a school called Sharto, which is for the mentally and physically challenged, so I would give them a portion of it. लेकिन मैं free कभी नहीं करूँगी, because if you do that, they don't value, right or not?
वैसे जब भी दिमाग में टेडी आता है, मतलब वो टेडी बेयर आता है जी, तो आप फैन हैं टेडी बेयर्स की, ऐसे टॉयज की?
मैं सॉफ्ट टॉयज की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ, और if you see my room, my mother says, इतनी मोटी घोड़ी है, like he becomes a big girl and he still have all these teddy bears all around, so I have soft toys all over my room, and you won't believe मेरे घर के soft toys, मेरे room के soft toys, अभी मेरे बेटे के room, so yeah, we're both like huge fans of all kinds of soft toys, not just teddy bears.
एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर है सॉफ्ट टॉय का जो आपको लगता है कि आपकी पर्सनालिटी से मैच करता है?
जो मेरी पर्सनालिटी से मिनी माउस, या बिकॉज मेरी पहले तो 3 साल से सेट पर नहीं हूँ, तो आई एम डाइंग टू गेट बैक ऑन अ सेट, आई कांट वेट टू गेट बैक ऑन अ सेट, बट द 3 थिंग्स आई हेट, फर्स्ट इज़ द वेटिंग, एक्टर को पेशेंस का बहुत ज़रूरी, को पेशेंस रहना इट्स लाइक अ रियली इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, तो पेशेंस एंड द वेटिंग बहुत ही बेकार है, देन द हीट समटाइम्स गेट्स अनबेरेबल, And 3. How rude you are.
We have been waiting before them.
Wait, we were
I've been
really
waiting.
तो मैंने immediately हाँ बोला and I'm so proud to be here.
पर सर कभी आपको मौका मिलेगा बच्चों के साथ किसी एड फिल्म में काम करने का जब करना पसंद करेंगे?
मैं अपने बच्चों के साथ कभी भी एड फिल्म में काम नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि आई डोंट थिंक मैं अपने बच्चों को एक कमर्शियल वेंचर में खींचना करेक्ट समझती हूँ यू नो ये मेरा प्रोफेशन है आई डो नॉट बट नॉट मच
मार्केट में इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं इतने सारे ब्रांड्स हैं अब अगर हम इस ब्रांड की बात करें इन प्रोडक्ट्स से किस तरह अलग
यू नो मैं टेरी नैपीज़ को बाई चांस से काइंड ऑफ यूज़ किया था मुझे मेरे साथ का ये वेरी मच यू नो आई लव माय करियर
No, but it was very natural because it came from the heart, you know.
No, but it's because I use the product.
That's the reason.
And you don't understand how traumatic it is. You know, it's really bad. Bad nappies. And I knew all the faces in the audience were right. She do it.
I am living generally area.
No, we didn't. I think we just stuck it out.
So पहले क्वालिटी I would say that good absorbency and comfortable. Absorbency अच्छी है और बच्चों के लिए काफी अच्छा है.
खासतौर पर
बच्चों की स्किन को एकदम सूखा रखता है आपका.
खासतौर पर भारतीय बच्चों को ध्यान में रखकर पढ़ने के लिए यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा खासतौर पर रूरल एरियाज में बहुत केयर नहीं की जाती है बच्चों को. ये घर से छोड़ दिया जाता है, घुटनों के बल बिगाड़ते हैं, डस्ट हो जाते हैं. ये जो नैपी है कितनी हद तक प्रोटेक्ट कर पाएगी बच्चों को?
एक बार आपने नैपी यूज़ किया कम से कम 4 से 5 घंटे आप फ्री रह सकते हैं टेंशन से. नैपी को चेक किया और बच्चे का ध्यान स्किन का भी ध्यान
क्या कहना चाहिए हमारे
The Bala wants to reach. The Bala is making his friends. Or this one is I did it. Yeah, so I was very hungry and I made 21. For a great product. I can't wait to get it, but get your distribution properly.
No, we are doing that. The marketing team is here.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, please. Okay, thank you.
God bless you. Take care. We stay in touch. Bye guys. See you.
Bye. Great.
Come on.
Thank you.
Cute child. Hi, Rina. That's the younger one. And no daughter or what? Very sad. How sad? How sad?
We get all the flag. We get all the flag.
You get all the flag for it. No, get married in. Yeah, waiting. No, take your time. Don't do anything. I know you like free diapers, but no. I'm telling you. I have no regret of the fact that shopping is so much because I don't care. Only that my kid that was not good. My father, who's a beer, has swung chicken. So he has actually sourced it for me. Bandra, forget India, I don't care. I really have. Focus on Bandra. I'm very selfish. I won't think of myself. No, really. And it's such a great company. I'm sure everyone is. But Bandra is where I live. Okay, party is I don't know why. Now go to my little baby. नहीं